Hi, Josh Barker with RE/MAX Town & Country Real Estate. And thank you for checking out our market update for the month of November 2018. Like I like to do each month, let's go ahead and bring in the sales report for last month here on the Shasta County Multiple Listing Service. What's really great about this report is it actually breaks down our sales here locally by price range, and it compares this year to last year, which can offer some additional insight into how the sales are taking place. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Last month there was 304 properties that closed escrow here in the market. That's a good number. Last month we saw our sales decline a little bit and we were concerned about it, but we can see by the numbers this month that those sales volumes are still remaining pretty high. If you compare it to last year in the month of October, there was 284. Now that difference mostly is represented by the additional buyers in the market that are available due to the Carr fire. So some of those folks that are not rebuilding on their home sites are electing to purchase homes here locally in our marketplace, and that's obviously keeping our sales volume higher. Something to keep in mind, as these buyers purchase homes going forward, we think that most of them will repurchase by the end of the year, which means our sales volumes will likely return to normal volumes by January of next year, so something to keep in mind. Next thing on the report I wanted to talk about briefly is just interest rates. We are beginning to see rates continue to press up, even though over the last couple of weeks we've seen the rates begin to back off just a tad. Understand that interest rates have a major impact on the markets like ours here in Shasta County. The reason why is there's such a high percentage of buyers here locally who purchase homes using financing. So as the interest rates go up, it has an impact on what the borrower can borrow. For example, if the rate goes up 1%, the buyer's borrowing power, the loan amount they qualify for, goes down by 10% in order to keep the monthly payment the same. So that's the impact of interest rates in the market. What we're seeing right now, our rates are beginning to get up into that high 4.875% range. Over the last few weeks, we saw the stock market get hit a little bit. When that happened, investors moved to the bond market and our interest rate softened a little bit. But we do believe that long term, we're going to see a higher interest rate environment. So next year, we do expect at some point, we're going to cross over that 5% range as a pretty normal interest rate. And it's going to have an impact on appreciation, which leads me to my next point. If you look at the market over the last 12 months here in Shasta County, Zillow has it tagged that about 5% appreciation took place in the market. Now, naturally, that doesn't happen in all price ranges. Our higher price points over $500,000, they didn't perform as well, although there was home selling, which is a good thing. But if you go down below $500,000, that's where most of the appreciation is taking place. Now, over the next 12 months, we are expecting to see appreciation in the market. It's projected now currently to be roughly 4%. The only thing I want to add to that is that if interest rates go up faster than what most people expect, we could also see that number actually go down. We may not have that much appreciation if rates go up too quick. So in any case, we have a lot more information available to you in this blog and in this video market update. If you want to see more information about our market updates here in Shasta County, visit reddinghomes.com and go to our news page. Each week we provide some insight on what's taking place in the real estate market here locally. And there's a lot of good additional tools that you might want to use as well. So in any case, if you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call. We're always here to help. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you soon. Take care.